Hello everybody, it is I, Smash Potter, back on this OBS because last time I did a tutorial on this and it was pretty good, but there's one thing that I didn't cover. How exactly to watch your videos when you record them. So when you press the stop recording button, you wanna it'll go to something of your choice. So what you wanna do is press this browse button, and I can't do it right now because I'm actually recording, but if you press that button, you'll be able to select a place in files. Like, pretend that I pressed the button and it opened the folder. So it'll pop up this, and you'll be able to like select what you want to do. So like, if you want to put it in a different thing, like I put my videos in this folder called videos, or like this folder, which is YouTube, and I organize my videos that way. I haven't put this in here. And you can move your stuff around. I have Minecraft edited, and then I can put it in the appropriate folders. There you go. You got all my episodes 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in order to watch one of those, you just double click and hello everybody. It is I. Yeah, there you go. And that's what goes on. Hello everybody. Yeah, all the time. And that's basically it, really. I mean, not much to add on. It's just one thing that I forgot. I might release this as a different video, or I might re-upload the same video, but whatever. So, yeah, thanks for watching, even though this was a very, very short video. Just showing you how to do some stuff. Some things that will also be notable is that down here, you see it down here, the thing that says REC, that shows you how long you've been recording. And I think I already covered that these are the audio levels. And so if you go into Minecraft or something, it'll have it going. And I think that's basically it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be space astronomy that I was just going to record. And yeah, that's about it. So see you guys in the next video. Smash out. Press the stop recording button, and then you will be done.